Are you tired of being tired? What if I told you there's a scientifically backed way to boost your energy, improve your focus, and enhance your productivity in just 20 minutes? Today I'm going to teach you the art of the perfect power nap. And by the end of this video, you'll never look at afternoon fatigue the same way again. I'm Robert Wilson, and over the past 5 years, I've helped thousands of people optimize their sleep and energy levels. Power napping isn't just for toddlers, it's a productivity hack used by everyone from NASA astronauts to Google executives. In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to master this game-changing technique. And if you want more science-backed productivity tips, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Let's be honest, we've all been there. It's 2 p.m., you've got a mountain of work ahead of you, but your brain feels like it's swimming through molasses. You reach for that third cup of coffee, knowing it'll just make you crash later. Sound familiar? Here's the thing. 85% of mammals are polyphasic sleepers, meaning they sleep multiple times per day. But humans? We've forced ourselves into this unnatural monophasic pattern, and we're paying the price with afternoon crashes and decreased performance. Sound familiar? But here's where it gets interesting. NASA conducted a study with their pilots and found that a 26-minute power nap improved performance by 34% and alertness by 100%. Let me say that again. 100% improvement in alertness from just 26 minutes. Your brain operates in roughly 90-minute sleep cycles. During a power nap, you want to stay in stages 1 and 2 of non-REM sleep, the light sleep phases. This gives you the restorative benefits without entering deep sleep, which would leave you groggy. The sweet spot, 10 to 30 minutes. Any shorter, and you won't get the benefits. Any longer, and you risk sleep inertia, that groggy, disoriented feeling. First, timing is crucial. The optimal power nap window is between 1 and 3 p.m. This aligns with your natural circadian dip. Yes, that afternoon crash is actually biological, not just because you ate too much lunch. Set your alarm for 25 minutes. Here's a pro tip. Drink a cup of coffee right before your nap. I know it sounds crazy, but caffeine takes about 20 minutes to kick in, so you'll wake up naturally energized. This allows the short nap to clear sleep-inducing adenosine from your brain, so when you wake up, the caffeine has more receptors available to block drowsiness. Environment is everything. You want it dark? Invest in blackout curtains or an eye mask. Cool temperature, around 65, 68 degrees Fahrenheit. And quiet. Use earplugs or white noise if needed. Find a comfortable position. Contrary to popular belief, you don't need to lie down completely. A reclining chair or even resting your head on your desk can work. The key is supporting your head and neck. Now for the mental preparation, don't put pressure on yourself to fall asleep immediately. The goal is quiet rest. Even if you just lie there with your eyes closed, you're still getting benefits. Try the 4-7-8 breathing technique. Inhale for 4 counts, hold for 7, exhale for 8. This activates your parasympathetic nervous system and signals your body it's time to rest. If your mind is racing, try the mental filing cabinet technique. Imagine putting each worry or thought into a file folder, then closing the cabinet. You can deal with these things after your nap. When your alarm goes off, resist the urge to snooze. Get up immediately and expose yourself to bright light. Get up immediately and expose yourself to bright light. Do some light stretching or take a few deep breaths. This helps shake off any grogginess and signals to your body that it's time to be alert. Now let me save you from the most common power napping mistakes. First, don't nap after 3 p.m. This can interfere with your nighttime sleep. Second, don't make your naps longer than 30 minutes no matter how good it feels. And third, don't rely on power naps to fix chronic sleep deprivation. They're a supplement, not a replacement for good nighttime sleep. Also, if you're a night shift worker or have a disrupted schedule, adjust these times accordingly. The key is maintaining consistency. Here are some advanced techniques the pros use. First, the nappuccino. That coffee before nap trick I mentioned earlier. NASA swears by this method. Second, try the fake it till you make it approach. Even if you don't fall asleep, just resting quietly with your eyes closed for 20 minutes provides about 70% of the benefits of actual sleep. Third, use guided nap meditations or apps like Insight Timer or Calm. They're designed specifically for short rest periods and can help quiet your mind. Let's talk about making this work in real life. If you're at the office, book a conference room or find a quiet corner. Some progressive companies even have nap pods. If yours doesn't, maybe suggest it to HR. Working from home? Set boundaries. Tell family members you're unavailable during your nap window. Turn off notifications on your phone. For students, libraries often have quiet areas perfect for power napping between classes. Just set that alarm. Now I want to hear from you. Try this power napping technique for 1 week and let me know in the comments how it goes. What difference did you notice in your energy and focus? If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs better energy management, and don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed productivity tips. Click that bell icon so you never miss new content, and check out this video next where I break down the perfect nighttime routine for deep, restorative sleep. Remember, mastering the power nap is a skill that takes practice. Be patient with yourself, stay consistent, and soon you'll have a secret weapon against afternoon fatigue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.